how to fix account warning on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can fix account warning on TikTok. Simply open up TikTok on your phone, and then once you have TikTok opened up, from over here click on the bottom right on your profile, and then after that click on the top right on these three lines at the very top right. Once you click on that, click on settings and privacy, then scroll down, and then after that click on report a problem. Now from over here, just simply scroll down to the very end once again and click on submit a report. After that, all that you guys need to do is to just simply change up a few things. So from over here, I want you guys to just simply paste in this text which says, I have gotten a warning on my TikTok account, but I feel like this warning is wrongfully issued to me. Please take another look at my account. Once you guys type in this message, after that, submit, and then you guys can get rid of all the account warnings on your TikTok account if your TikTok account actually doesn't have anything that could be wrong with TikTok's terms and services. So guys, this is how you guys can get rid of account warnings on TikTok. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.